Ever worried about your keys falling into the wrong hands? Today, we're going to crack the code on securing your digital keys using Hashicorp Vault. Let's dive in. First, Vault acts as a centralized secret storage. This includes securely generating, storing, and managing cryptographic keys. Think of Vault as the ultimate key master, keeping everything safe. Step 1. Access Vault. You'll usually interact with Vault through a command line interface or a user-friendly web interface, whichever works best for you. Next, generate your cryptographic keys. Vault can effortlessly create keys of different algorithms like AES, RSA, or others. These keys are securely stored, encrypted with strong master keys. Now for the magic, key rotation. Vault allows the regular updating of keys. This dramatically reduces the chance of compromised keys causing damage. Set up an automated plan to regularly rotate your keys. Integrating Vault for key management protects a wide range of systems. Apply encryption to databases, applications, access tokens, and other sensitive system data. Using Vault as your key manager provides a comprehensive, best practice security solution. Securing your keys has never been easier. By using Vault for key management, you fortify your defenses against vulnerabilities, optimize your data's security, and maintain your data's trust. Get started today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more security tips.